Upflow regeneration softener valve. When in regeneration, the direction of the brine flow of the upflow regeneration softener valve is opposite to the service water flow, typically with the service water flow moving from top to bottom and the brine and slow rinse water flow moving from bottom to top. During regeneration, the brine first contacts the less exhausted protective layer of the resin. By the time it reaches the most exhausted resin layer, the calcium ion and magnesium ion exchanged have been discharged, and the concentration is reduced, allowing a lower concentration of sodium ion to regenerate. This results in lower salt and water consumption and better regeneration effects. Preventing resin layer disorder is the prerequisite for salt and water saving in upflow regeneration. When the raw water turbidity is low, it is not necessary to backwash with each regeneration cycle. The valve's interval backwash times, F00, can be set based on the water turbidity, enabling multiple cycles of service followed by a single backwash. For example, F02 indicates that backwash occurs every 2 cycles, during the first 2 cycles of regeneration, to brine draw without backwash. On the 3rd cycle, backwash is performed, followed by brine draw. Upflow regeneration softener valve is categorized based on display methods into LED display, LCD display, and digital tube display control valves. LED display models include F69A, F69G, F68A, F68C, F68G, F92A, and F99D with flow rates ranging from 2 to 15 cubic meter per hour. These models come with signal output ports and remote control ports, the applications of which are detailed in the port application of Runchine automatic control valve. The F92A with a flow rate of 5 cubic meter per hour controls brine draw and water refill through a small valve designed on the injector body, reducing the number of main valve flow paths to achieve a larger flow area, thus obtaining the goal of a small valve body with high flow rate. It is available with options for no raw water bypass type A and with raw water bypass type B. It allows for program queries of the maximum flow rate and the number of regeneration that have occurred in the last 7 days, with 6 regeneration modes to choose from. It can be set up with a C021 in service 1 standby online program, compatible with Runjing 3-way ball valves, eliminating the need for additional devices, making it convenient to implement a 1 in service 1 standby system. The F95D with a flow rate of 20 cubic meter per hour and the F147D with a flow rate of 30 cubic meter per hour feature a dual valve core structure, come with their own brackets, and use side-mounted connections with RS485 ports for connecting to PLC and other devices for remote control. The LCD display models include F69D, F68D, and F122A with flow rates ranging from 2 to 4 cubic meter per hour. Parameter settings are divided into foreground and background. Among these models, the F122A features a side control design, compact size, and is primarily used for under-cabinet residential softeners. It comes with value-added functions such as regeneration and brine refill with soft water, vacation mode, and brine dry mode. The digital tube display models include F69P, F68P, F69Q, and F68Q with flow rates ranging from 2 to 4 cubic meter per hour, which is cost-effective. For more details, please refer to the introduction of digital tube display control valve under automatic filter valve.